Is Donald Trump a fan of XRP? What did Donald Trump say about XRP? Is XRP going to skyrocket in 2022? If you want to learn all about it, keep watching this video to find out more so that you don't miss out on an excellent opportunity to win a giveaway of 50 XRP tokens at the end of this month. Hello guys, welcome to Whiteboard Crypto Update, the #1 YouTube channel for crypto education. In today's video, we will talk about XRP's future, so be sure to stay focused as you surely don't want to miss out on this. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our giveaway. Donald Trump labeled Bitcoin a scam in June 2021. Fox News asked the former president about his thoughts on Bitcoin and whether he had invested in it during a phone interview. President Donald Trump answered with the following statement: "Bitcoin appears to be a rip-off. I don't like it since it's a competitive currency with the dollar." He also stated that he wished for the dollar to become the global currency. El Salvador had just announced intentions to make Bitcoin a legal tender in their country. When Donald Trump made his remarks, the market, as one could assume, took a heavy knock and took a fall within the first 24 hours following Donald Trump's interview. Bitcoin went down by 9%, and other coins that were at the top of this list at the time took a fall as well, given that it was just creeping to the $2 threshold. At the time of the interview, XRP may have been the most significant loser at the top of the list within 24 hours. XRP declined 11 from 1.91 to 85 cents, a 21 drop from that previous week. President Trump has always been forthright about his feelings towards Bitcoin, stating that he is not a fan nonetheless. During his tenure, the market experienced the majority of its ups and downs. Cryptocurrencies had significant growth under President Trump's presidency. Of course, Trump was not personally responsible for any cryptocurrency growth or celebrity. However, the regulators he chose throughout his tenure and several of the Trump administration's policies worked as significant boosters for the cryptocurrency sector. With a few exceptions, the moves to support the crypto market were mainly influenced by the regulators that President Trump nominated to various positions for the cryptocurrency market. The Trump administration was generally supportive of the crypto business. The government ushered in a slew of new rules and goods, which the crypto community enthusiastically embraced. The one area where the Trump administration failed to cement its work was establishing a clear policy direction. The Securities and Exchange Commission was largely quiet concerning cryptocurrency trading regulations in the United States. There was no major legislation. This is the stage in the discussion when the commissions and regulators come out to play. The SEC first and foremost. Despite Commissioner Hester Pierce's efforts, the Commission has yet to establish sufficient cryptocurrency standards. Despite this, they were quite active in the crypto field during Trump's presidency. Most of the time, they would claim that initial coin offerings in cryptocurrencies may violate securities laws. Given that the SEC is currently in court against Ripple, this may seem insignificant in a case involving securities laws violations, but it is a significant element of the discourse. The SEC's continued rejection of so many Bitcoin exchange-traded fund applications is another noteworthy aspect of the discussion. There have been numerous activities around the SEC and the crypto industry while the crypto community awaited the outcome of yet another Bitcoin ETF proposal in 2017. An employee advised the community to relax and refrain from asking questions until the final decision was made. The SEC, however, turned down the CTF request to give the SEC some credit. One piece of guidance is arguably the most important thing to come out of the agency, and that is the DAO report. In conclusion, the report looked into the DAO Decentralized Autonomous Organization. The DAO is an Ethereum-based fundraising entity, and the investigation determined that some cryptocurrencies and their cells may be subject to federal securities laws. Nonetheless, it appeared that the SEC was more concerned with the rules that cryptocurrency and its traders could directly or indirectly breach than with regulating cryptocurrencies for easy flow in the United States. The Securities and Exchange Commission established a new cyber unit in September 2017 to investigate offenses involving cryptocurrency and the dark web in November 2017. The Securities and Exchange Commission announced that it is illegal for celebrities to advocate a particular ICO without disclosing that they were paid for the promotion. Daily Blast finally gave the public some explanations, however ambiguous, about the SEC's persistent rejection of Bitcoin ETF applications. Blast was the Director of Investment Management at the Securities and Exchange Commission at the time before the Commission could approve a Bitcoin ETF. She stated that valuation, liquidity, custody, arbitrage, and market manipulation concerns all needed to be addressed. The SEC eventually banned trade in 3 of the businesses that had issued such disclosures as people expected. The majority of the SEC's actionable guidance throughout President Trump's tenure came in the form of enforcement actions and informal warnings rather than making clear distinctions between what was legal and what was illegal at one point. It appeared as if the SEC was just making stuff up as they went along, waiting for anyone or any corporation to do something even somewhat wrong. There were only 2 things that the SEC made plain throughout Donald Trump's time as President of the United States: To begin with, any token sale might be construed as a breach of securities on multiple levels. Second, the SEC will not hesitate to pursue entities and bodies if it suspects a violation has occurred. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CTFC, was an insignificant factor in the mix during the Trump presidency. The Ripple price has dropped in the past 3 days as investors prepare for an important year for the coin. XRP is trading at 76 cents, which is about 43% below the highest level in November and 62% below the highest level in 2021. 2021 was a mixed year for the Ripple price. Initially, the coin jumped by about 600% from its lowest in January to the highest in May. This upswing happened as Bitcoin and most altcoins surged higher. Between May and December, the coin declined by about 60%. The most prominent theme in 2021 was the SEC versus Ripple case that started in December 2020. The SEC alleged that Ripple Labs and its top executives raised $1 billion from the public without following the due process. The defendants denied the claims and hired a high-powered team of lawyers to fight the SEC. Behind the scenes, Ripple Labs continued to grow its ecosystem even after its partnership with MoneyGram crumbled. For example, it made deals with companies like Tranglo and SBI Holdings. SBI is one of the biggest banks in Japan. 2022 will be an important year for Ripple and XRP Price for 2 main reasons. First, the SEC versus Ripple case is expected to conclude in the year's first half. If Ripple wins, we will likely see more demand for the XRP tokens as more exchanges restart offering the coin. At the same time, Ripple reported that the number of transactions using its on-demand liquidity continued to rise during the year. Ripple Labs has also hinted that it will file to become a publicly traded company once the SEC baggage eases. So, this will be a key thing to watch. It will also be an important year for XRP and other cryptocurrencies because the Fed has hinted that it will increase interest rates this year. This explains why the Ripple price has crashed in the past few weeks. The daily chart shows that the XRP price formed a double top pattern at $1.33 between September and November last year. The chin of this pattern was at 0.87 level. It then formed a break and retest pattern in December. This pattern is usually a bearish sign. Also, it has moved below the 25-day and 50-day moving averages while oscillators like the RSI and MACD have tilted lower. Therefore, the path of the least resistance for the Ripple price is the downside for the first part of 2022. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest crypto and cryptocurrency news. Until the next video comes out, you can watch our other videos about XRP or other cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.